Okay. One day hal maalin Danny went to Ade with his father Abis Amil or La Ade to a zoo or Herada. He was very excited at ba ufarahsana to see arko different types of bodies have different types of bodies. Shimbiro kala duwan and animals habyano. After getting a while, Mudoka dibna they came in front of the cage of a lion. Libihi Heredise Imaden Hortida. Danny's father Abba Danny told him how furious and strong lions Liwahyada sida uhug badin or rahada badanle. Danny was listening to Diginsinaye very attentively. See Mana Diginan Udiginsinaye. Finally with the Benti he spoke up Ulahale that if somehow Hadi injured the lion he comes out to do imado bananka of the cage or the herada and it is you up then how will I get back home? Side guriga nugu laaban kara. At least ugu yaraan tell me the route wadada to reach home gurigan ku aadi lahaa. Danny's father Abba Danny laughed to qosle at innocent questions su'aasha dambi laabaha la weydiiyey of the son or wilkiis weydiiyey. Salaamu alaykum wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuh.